The Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 has long been recognized as one of India's most beloved entry-level hatchbacks. Known for its affordability, practicality, and reliable performance, the Alto 800 has earned a massive fan base across urban streets and rural roads alike. In this video, we take a closer look at what makes the Alto 800 a timeless favorite, exploring its design, features, performance, and long-term value. Design and exterior. The Alto 800 carries a simple yet functional design philosophy. Its compact dimensions make it extremely city-friendly, allowing effortless maneuvering in traffic and easy parking even in the tightest spaces. The front fascia features a clean grille, compact headlamps, and a smooth profile that enhances fuel efficiency. While not flashy, the exterior holds a charm rooted in practicality, delivering exactly what everyday drivers need. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 focuses on space optimization. Despite its small footprint, the cabin feels thoughtfully arranged, offering comfortable seating for 4 occupants. The dashboard has a straightforward layout that prioritizes ease of use. Basic features like air conditioning, power steering, and optional front power windows provide convenience without unnecessary complexity. The fabric upholstery and storage compartments add to its functional appeal, making the interior suitable for daily commuting and small family travel. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Alto 800 lies its efficient 796cc engine, well known for its fuel economy and low maintenance requirements. The car delivers smooth performance in city environments, where quick acceleration and light handling matter the most. Its mileage has always been one of its strongest selling points, making it a preferred choice for budget-conscious buyers. Whether navigating crowded streets or covering short highway stretches, the Alto 800 remains consistent and dependable. Safety and reliability. While designed as an entry-level vehicle, the Alto 800 incorporates essential safety features such as driver airbags, seatbelt reminders, and reinforced body structure. Over the years, Maruti Suzuki has continuously improved build quality, contributing to the vehicle's long-standing reputation for reliability. Owners often praise its low running costs, inexpensive spare parts, and widespread service network, factors that significantly enhance peace of mind. Affordability and ownership experience. One of the biggest reasons behind the Alto 800's success is its affordability. From its introductory price to its low maintenance expenses, the car has always offered excellent value. It appeals to first-time car buyers, small families, and anyone seeking a dependable means of transport without stretching their budget. Its resale value also remains strong due to high demand in the used car market. Conclusion. The Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 may not be the most luxurious or technologically advanced car on the road, but its simplicity, efficiency, and reliability have made it a true icon. For countless owners, it represents freedom, convenience, and trust. Even as the automotive landscape evolves, the Alto 800 continues to stand as a symbol of practicality and smart mobility, proof that a small car can make a big impact.